Are you planning to learn German because of any reason you are coming across, or have you already started learning German? Then are you struggling with the learning or memorizing the German noun gender? Why German language have the der, die and das article for nouns? Why not the as in English language? Why there, the and das translated words came across all the nouns? If you want answer to all these questions, then this video will definitely help you. Also, this will give you the easiest way to learn the noun gender. So do watch this video till the end for lots of tips and tricks. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Welcome back to our channel Bloom German. This is the video series for the beginners or A1 level. So let's begin with our today's topic, and the name of our today's topic is Lektion 15, der bestimmte Artikel im Nominativ 1, the definite article in nominative case. Before proceeding to our today's topic, if you are watching this channel for the first time, then do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the timely notification of our latest video, and do not forget to like and share the videos. Einige Diskussionspunkte, some discussion point. There are three noun gender in German. Everything from bee to bird to table and chair is either a masculine, feminine or neutral noun. Going from a English as a genderless language to a German as a language with three is not an easy task. There are a lot of exceptions to all rules. They are often logical if you come at them from a different angle through. German noun gender was completely without rhymes or reasons. Think this and learn the noun gender. German noun gender is determined generally based on a gender of person. For example, der Mann. Or because its form, usually a suffix, that is jung is feminine, or because it belongs to a noun group associated with particular gender, that is metal, are usually neutral. If you really want to crack a German noun gender code, continue memorizing the gender associated with each individual noun. According to Duden, 46% of German noun gender are feminine, that is weiblich. 34% of German noun gender are masculine, that is männlich, and 20% of German noun gender are neutral, that is sächlich. So, if you are memorizing just the masculine and feminine form, you can know by default that whatever else came across is definitely a neutral noun. And also, this slide is showing us the feminine noun gender is 46%, that is more than masculine and neutral form. Correct? Then, if you are giving any exam and you don't know the gender of the noun, then go with the feminine form. There could be 50% of chances that your answer is correct. Gender of almost any German noun is determined by its form. First one is suffixes, which are the little endings. Second is noun group and noun form. Noun group, specific topic group associated with a particular gender. That is, all months of the year are masculine. Noun form, specific spelling pattern associated with particular gender. That is, all noun ending with jung are feminine. Now, keeping all these two topics in mind, let's begin our today's topic for noun group. Masculine form, there. All male animals are masculine in form. For example, der Bock, der Stier, der Eber, der Hahn. Days, months and season are masculine. Zum Beispiel der Sonntag, der Januar, der Winter, der Monat, der Abend. Some common exceptions are das Jahr, die Nacht, die Woche. Directions are also masculine in form. Der Norden, der Süden, der Westen, der Osten. Currency, zum Beispiel der Dollar, der Cent, der Euro, der Schilling, der Pfennig, der Franken. Some common exceptions are die Mark, das Pfund, die Krone. Drinks, alcoholic and plant-based. Der Gin, der Schnaps, der Wein, der Kakao, der Saft. Common exception is das Bier. Remaining all drinks, that is alcoholic and plant-based, are masculine in form. Exception is das Bier. Cars, der BMW, der Skoda, der Ford, der Ferrari, der Audi, der WV. All cars are masculine in form. Der Mercedes. All male persons are masculine in form. Zum Beispiel der Mann, der Vater, der Arzt, der Italiener. All mountains and mountain ranges are also masculine in form. Their Mount Everest, their Mount Blanc, their Himalaya, their Taunus, their Balkan, and some common exceptions for this are the Eiffel, the Harz, the Rhone, the Sierra Nevada. Exceptions for mountain ranges: das Erzgebirge, das Matterhorn, der Zugspitze. Non-German rivers are also masculine. For example, der Ganges, der Mississippi, der Nile, der Dalavare, der Jordan, der Congo. Exceptions for this: the Seine, the Thames, the Volga. Outer space, zum Beispiel der Mond, der Stern, der Merkur, der Mars, der Jupiter, der Saturn, der Uranus, der Pluto. Common exceptions are die Sonne, die Venus, die Erde. Rocks and minerals are also masculine. Der Diamant, der Granite, der Lehm, der Quartz, der Ton. Some common exceptions are das Erz, die Kohle, die Kreide, das Minerals. Weathers: der Typhoon, der Wind, der Frost, der Nebel. Common exception to the weather are die Sonne, die Wolke, die Brise, das Eis, das Gewitter, die Graupel, das Wetter, die Witterung. Feminine form: die airplane, motorcycle, and ships makes or models and names are feminine in form. Zum Beispiel die Boeing, die Cessna, die BMW, die Honda, die Bismarck, die Bremen. Common exception: der Airbus, der Stork, der Albatros, das Mörchen, der Zug, die Bahn, der Wagen oder das Auto, das Schiff oder das Boot, das Fahrrad, das Motorrad. Female persons: die Frau, die Mutter, die Ärztin, die Italienerin. Note for the female person. Professions, that is their aides, the butler, the Fahrer are most often transformed into the female version by adding in. For example, die Ärztin, die Bettlerin, die Fahrerin. Common exceptions: das Weib, das Fräulein, das Mädchen. Numerals used as nouns are also feminine in form. Zum Beispiel die Eins, die Zwei, die Sechzehn, die Million, die Milliarde. Exceptions to this are das Dutzend, das Hundert, das Tausend. Trees, fruits and flowers are also with the feminine form. Die Eiche, die Blume, die Tulpe. Exceptions are der Auen, der Apfel, der Löwenzahn. Rivers within Germany, Austria and Switzerland are having the feminine form. For example, die Donau, die Elbe, die Havel, die Moselle, die Oder, die Weser. Exceptions to this are der Inn, der Lech, der Main, der Neckar, der Rhine. Animals, that is female animals. Zum Beispiel die Gans, die Hure, die Sau, die Henne. All are feminine in form. Neutral form, das. Alphabet, letters and music notes are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das A, das B, das C, das Fis, das Des. Continents, cities, provinces and most countries all are neutral in form. Zum Beispiel das Afrika, das London, das Frankreich, das Bayern. Note: other provinces or countries, including those that end in A, I, E, A, that is the Turkai, that are gendered feminine with exception of Africa and China, which are still neutral. Some are masculine, their Iran, their Yemen, their Congo, their Lebanon, their Sudan. Some common exceptions are the Arctic, the Antarctic, the Schweiz. Gerund, colors, languages, English, ink form and other parts of speeches used as nouns. Zum Beispiel das Singen, das Blau, das Spanisch, das Meeting, das Nein. Respectively, alle sind neutral in form. Hotels, cafes, restaurants and movie theaters, das Marriott, das Hard Rock, das Hilton, das Grand Rex, all are neutral in form. Metals and chemical elements, das Gold, das Cobalt, das Blei, das Eisen, das Kupfer. Some common exceptions to this are die Bronze, their Phosphor, their Schwefel, their Stahl, their Oxygen. Scientific units such as das Atom, das Elektron, das Volt, das Watt. Common exception: liter and meter have varying gender. Young person and baby animal, das Baby, das Kind, das Ferkel, das Fohlen, das Lamm. Alle sind neutral in form. Fortsetzung folgt. In our coming lesson, we will be learning suffixes and noun form. So stay tuned. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Videos. Bleib gesund und munter. Auf Wiedersehen.